If you don't know how Alight Motion works, then this video is for you. I will teach you some zoom and rotation effects, so please watch till end. After installing it will look like this. For to understanding purpose, I will edit it too. Like this. Create a new project, you can choose any writo. After that click on create project. Then add your clips or photos. After adding you can cut the frame. There are 3 options. Cut into right and left. Now click on clip. And there are several options of transform. Now click on plus icon. And add object of null. Cut the null like of your clip size of time. Click on your clip. And you can see an icon on top of screen like dual page. Select null 1. Now if you try move null, it will move your clip. Now go to null 1. And click on move and transform. Here are a lot of options. Like zoom and zoom out. Rotation and move. Click on that pinky plus icon, it called keyframe. Add 1 keyframe and hold it to move. And move it to beginning of your clip. And a second keyframe. And zoom a little bit. You can see this icon, it called graph. The red part is slow. And the blue one is fast. And the white line is your timeline. I will explain it in other video. Make the graph like this. Hold the second keyframe and move a bit. Add a third keyframe for zoom out effect. Copy my graph like you cheat in exam. Ha ha ha, comedy king. Click on plus icon and then click on effect. Add effect. Search tiles. Click on tiles. Standard settings. Enable the mirror effect. It will mirror your clips. Go to effect and add motion blur. Go to effect and click on copy effects. Go to your second clips and paste the effects like you copy. Let's edit second clips. If you are not understanding the video, DM me on Instagram. Or you can comment. Add zoom out on first keyframe. Here I am ending third clip. Do the same process we have done before. And keyframe for zoom out and reverse rotation. If you are not understanding the video, DM me on Instagram. Or you can comment. Where you looking at, brother? Don't keep eye on her.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing.
Now the edit is ready. You can make other edit like this. By practicing you will learn it. Now export it.